guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to redeem Amazon gift card. So let's get started. If you want to redeem your Amazon gift card, what you can do is just open up your Amazon application. After opening up your Amazon application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom left of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now what you can do is just tap on your account which is on the left side of your screen. After tapping on that option, now just scroll down. And after scrolling down inside payments, you can find the second option which says manage gift card balance. So just tap on manage gift card balance, and after tapping on that, now you have to tap on redeem another gift card. So by tapping on redeem another gift card, now you have to enter the gift card or the redeem code. So after entering that redeem code, now what you can do is just tap on apply to your balance. After tapping on apply to your balance, you'll successfully redeem your gift card. So that's it guys, this is how to redeem Amazon gift card. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.